5 motion designers only had 30 minutes to animate their unique interpretation of today's mystery sound effects. Let's see what they got.
I like spurts.
Bubble bath.
Bubble bath.
It's a box!
Let's go, team! We went out there, we played the big game, and we won big! We're never gonna... So what you gotta do, you gotta pick up the ball and then you sort of swing towards the bowling pins and you hit the ball and then the ball hits the pins and then you get a strike. If you get all of them, just cut me off somewhere.
Let us know in the comments who you think won today's challenge.